Those cyclists were sweating it out today. It's hard not to break a sweat just by stepping outside. Chief Meteorologist Kate Bilo is here with the sizzling late spring forecast. Hi, Kate.
Hi, Joe. Yeah, it feels weird to call this a spring day, right? Because it feels like the height of summer. It feels like the dog days out there. 91 degrees right now. But after what we struggled through last weekend, 53 and raining on Memorial Day weekend, this is kind of a rare treat from Mother Nature, saying get outside, sit by the pool, go to the beach, go to the mountains, enjoy the warmth and the sunshine. And for the first time in a couple of days, we're not anxiously looking at the skies, waiting for them to break open, waiting for thunderstorms. It is dry outside today. 91 feels like 91, so it's not too bad as far as our feels like temp is concerned. 62 is the dew point right now with winds out of the southwest. Once the sun goes down, temps will fall a little bit, but it's still going to be very warm overnight. We'll bottom out in the 70s, low 70s for lows tomorrow morning across much of the area, which is just kind of a harbinger of what's to come tomorrow. We start the day in the 70s, so we don't have far to travel to get into the 90s. Once again, it will warm up very rapidly. Storm scan 3, nothing to see there. As we move on to tonight's forecast, it's clear, warm, and muggy. 70 will be the low tonight. Just such a far cry from last weekend when the high was 53. Now we have a low of 70. Clear, warm, muggy overnight, and tomorrow it's a hot one. We'll hit the 90s for the high. It may even get a little hotter than this. Lots of sun, hot and humid, winds out of the southwest at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. But even though we climb into the low 90s, 92, 93, it's going to feel about 3 or 4 degrees warmer than that. So we'll start at 9 a.m. It will already feel like 82 degrees. By 4 p.m., our feels like temperature is about 95 or 96. And that's why we have that heat advisory that's going to kick in from noon to 8. It's basically just the urban corridor, Philadelphia, Delaware County, up into portions of Lower Bucks, Montgomery, and Chester counties, and also our New Jersey counties, Camden, Gloucester, and northern Burlington, and Newcastle County in Delaware. These are the areas that will have the highest heat index values at the height of the afternoon tomorrow. One place you can go to beat the heat, at least a little bit, down the shore. It's about 5 or 6 degrees cooler. Still hot for the shore, at least 86 degrees. That sand is going to be roasting. Lots of sunscreen needed tomorrow. And again, it's that southwest wind. The sea breeze not really going to kick in much tomorrow. Maybe a little bit late afternoon, but it's going to be a hot one on the sand. Then storms return to the forecast. Tomorrow is dry. Storms are going to miss us mainly off to the south and west. Monday, can't rule out the chance for a stray shower or storm, mainly off to the north here in the afternoon. But Monday looks relatively quiet. It's Tuesday that we'll see a much better chance for a few scattered afternoon showers and storms, and then that pattern is going to continue through the 7-day forecast. So 90s for the next 2 days. The heat wave continues. It's going to be steamy as well through Monday. Tuesday, just with the chance for scattered showers and thunder showers, not going to be quite as hot, but we're back to the 90s on Wednesday. And then temperatures start to diminish a little bit. The heat starts to diminish by the end of next week. We're feeling a little bit more seasonable, but it's a very summer-like pattern. We still have the chance for a pop-up thunder shower in the forecast, Joe, pretty much every day through next Saturday. We'll send it back to you.
All right, Kate, thank you so much.